Okay, before you say anything, this has been a really interesting few hours. So this is my desktop computer. That's what I've been using as my writing rig. That's what I had Windows Millennium installed on it. I've been participating in the National Novel Writing Month 50,000 word challenge. I'm about 38,000 words, but I noticed that when I'm using this computer, I like to have like YouTube playing music in the background, but it's a 20-year-old computer running Windows 7, so it's kind of slow. What I wanted to do was buy a cheap new video card, which I have right here. Okay? So my plan was I'd plug that in to the computer, and hopefully that'll speed it up. And if not, maybe I could just get a better processor. So I plugged the thing in to the computer, and then when I put the power cord in, it immediately turns on. But the computer itself doesn't turn on, just the power supply. So what ends up happening is the power supply fan, there's a fan underneath here, that'll run. This back fan will do nothing. There will be no display because the computer isn't even on. If you go to the front, you'll see the hard drive indicator light will be on, but the power indicator light is never on. I tried unplugging things. I tried using a different outlet. I tried using different monitors. Nothing worked. And you probably can't see it, but this part right here will display postcodes, kind of like little error messages. Those didn't even light up. So that tells me one of two things. Either I got supremely unlucky and this power supply died. Actually, one of three things. Number two, this thing's also 20 years old. So when I popped in the new video card, that was enough to just take this thing out of action. Number three, I may have failed to properly ground myself and damaged something. That's always a possibility. So I figured, okay, I'll just pop out the hard drives and put it into this new computer. Except this one is no longer working either. I cannot get a display on it. This also had its own video card. I tried using different, both of these, different monitors. I tried taking this out and just using the onboard. Nothing worked. The reason this is such a problem is because my writing is on this hard drive or one of those two hard drives. I have no idea which. The plan was I'll pop the hard drives into those things, and I'll grab the files. Didn't work. So I had to run out and went to Best Buy for an emergency run to get this cord, which what it's supposed to do is allow me to just turn the hard drive into a USB hard drive. So, move this. As of this recording, I have absolutely no idea if this will even work. I don't see why it wouldn't, but everything else that failed shouldn't have failed. So let's just pop that in there. Okay. My other concern was that this cable said it was meant for a 2.5-inch drives. And these are 3.5-inch drives, but it doesn't really matter. It plugs in all the same. So here's a laptop, which this is what I'm going to be using from now on as my writing laptop. Now, here's the other thing about what I've been doing. Since I have a month to write 50,000 words, that's kind of hard to do with a full-time job. Normally, when I don't have massive time crunches, I will type up what I want, print it out, and then use a pencil and paper and just, handwrite my edits. And then type them back in later. It's not efficient for word count, and that's why I can't do that. So let's see if where's my mouse? I have hold on. I got a wireless mouse. Let's plug that in. Now, I don't hear this thing on, so that tells me something's up. Can I please get a mouse? Okay. Okay, so this doesn't recognize it, which I would assume that this would fail. All right. Why doesn't this work? I heard the unplugged, so it recognized this as something. There we go. Okay. I don't hear the hard drive booting up, but I see a light. I wonder if, safely remove hardware. Eject okay, that's something. Is there a button that I'm supposed to press on this thing? All right, let's check the instructions. Okay, so I have to go to Device Manager. Wait, why? It's telling me to installing the hard drive. I don't want to install the hard. I don't want to format it. I want to access it. Okay. We're gonna actually restart. Let's restart the computer. I don't know. I restart using text commands. All right. Maybe if I boot it up again, it'll recognize it. But these are not solid state drives. These are the old like spinny hard disk drives. So the fact that I can't hear it tells me that it's not doing anything. All right. I'm not liking where this is going. Now, what's concerned? Hard drives. Blah blah blah. Oh, hard drives and optical drives require a high power load that can be provided by the USB bus. So, this isn't going to work. I just want to see if this cord works, because this is a 2.5-inch solid-state drive. That's just encased in a 3.5. Okay. So I need a USB. I don't even know how I'm going to get this. All right, so see now it's blinking. It recognizes it. All right. So yeah, okay, I guess I can't use a that's weird. I wonder if I can. Now, if I get really lucky, I need to find, what the heck is it? VirtualBox. Oh boy, what is, crap. Who makes VirtualBox? It's not Sun. Oh, is it Oracle? Oh, it's not, it wouldn't even be installed on this. Whoops. Yeah, whatever. Hold on, now I'm opening up my documents folder. I'm not showing that stuff. Oh boy, okay. I might have to go right back to Best Buy. Let's see what we got. That's what I bought. Okay, ready today. VirtualBox. VirtualBox VMs. Wait a minute. Oh! Okay. All right. So it turns out this might actually work. Okay, let me explain this. I need to install VirtualBox real quick. I need a tripod. All right, no, this is good. Okay, so here's what's happening. I thought that... Actually, let me back up. If you don't know how virtual machines work, I'm basically telling the computer to pretend it's a different computer within a computer for like some computerception type crap. Okay, so that's pretty cool. In order for this to happen, the main computer, which is called the host computer, needs to create a pretend file that the virtual computer thinks is a hard drive. So the virtual computer uses that file as a hard drive. Now, I had assumed that, hold on, I had assumed that when I created the virtual machine, the pretend hard drive, that I would have put the pretend hard drive on one of these hard disk drives, because these are each a terabyte. The bottom 200 are a terabyte each. The top one's like 64. I bought this when solid state drives were new, so they were really expensive at the time. Let me just set this tripod up. What I just noticed is that I actually may have put the pretend hard drive, the virtual machine, on my solid state drive. The solid state drive being the only one I can access currently. Crap. All right. If I am correct, then I can actually access my virtual machine. Why is this? I don't even know how this tripod works. Okay. How does this tripod work? So I need to install VirtualBox real quick. VirtualBox is the program that you can use to make virtual machines. And you'll notice that I'm one of the one people in the universe that actually uses Bing as the preferred search engine. I already have a window. Oh wait, I forgot I had VirtualBox already installed in this. So this is a test run in Windows Millennium I did. All right. So documents, virtual machines, writing rig, start. Oh, is this actually going to work? What? Veripath not found. Could not open F virtual machines Windows. I don't want you to open up Windows Me dot writing rig. Oh boy. Failed to open VDI. Yeah, it still wants it to be a VDI. F. What is F? I don't have an F drive. Why are you open? Oh. Oh, okay. No, I think I know what I did. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. Yep, see. I know what's going on. Hold on. Let me I know what happened. I think I may know what happened. Do I still have VirtualBox 7? So what I think happened is when I told it to use the... So you remember that I copied over the VirtualBox image to my computer, to the laptop. I think... There's no porn here, is there? No. I think what happened is... Where is VirtualBox? I think what happened is I accidentally pointed this thing to the copy of it that was on my the solid state drive from the old computer. And that solid state drive basically disconnected itself. So we're going to add a VirtualBox. Okay. So we're definitely in name, documents, virtual machines, writingrig.vbox. Why? Oh. All right, so delete this. Do not delete all files, just remove. Okay. Add. Name, documents, virtual machines, writing rig. Wait a minute. Oh no. I know what's happening. Yeah, I know it. Ugh. This isn't actually the VirtualBox. It's just like a pointer to the VirtualBox. The VirtualBox itself is actually in the hard drive. So this is not going to work. This was a waste of 30 minutes of my time. All right, Best Buy. Can I buy a cable? What's this? Pick up today. I'm going to have to buy this thing so I can use a, that's clearly a disk drive, right? SATA HDD interface. Okay, all right. So this is the thing I should have bought. So I just wasted $12. Now let's go ahead and waste, and we're going to do that off screen so you can look at the console while I buy this. All right, go to cart because I'm going to have to log in. Well, guess what, everybody? We're going back to Best Buy. Because I am sick of this. Okay, we're back again, and I cannot find my screwdriver. I can find this screwdriver, but not the screwdriver. The one that has the bit I actually need, and I just found it. It's right here. Okay. We have this beefy beast. Dual hard drive locking station. This should work. Now, oh boy. Alright, so I've never used one of these things before. It looks pretty cool. Doing the unboxing off camera, but here's a bunch of crap. Playing a game called... I'm literally throwing everything on the floor. I do not care anymore. This actually looks pretty nice. Look at this thing. It's kind of like a toaster. Yeah. Alright. So we'll put the toaster to the side. The lighting in this place could be better. Let me see if I can do something about that. How's that? Alright, this big beefy wall outlet. It's right here. Untie it. I have a surge protector off camera. Let's see if I hate these twisty ties because I feel like no matter what direction I tie it, it just ends up tying with itself. There we go. You've got plenty of free outlets. Here you go. I'm failing to plug this in. There we go. This okay. I'm gonna put it on camera because that helped me open it last time. There we go. Now we're gonna what? Oh, this is even. I've never seen this port before. It's like A and B at the same time. There we go. Now, the reason I needed the screwdriver is because I have to get this... Oh, I can get this out easily. How does this even work? Okay, I guess like this. Here we go. Takes me to the days of putting something in the NES. I need to unscrew this hard drive. I didn't quite get it. Oh, yeah. There we go. I think that's it. Okay, I dislodged it. Now, look at this dust. That's disgusting. I wanted to give my... Alright, here we go. There we go. It looks like they're both plugged in. Now we turn this on. I hear hard drives whirring. I hear hard drives whirring. Oh boy, I got programs. Now, I got the E drive. I need the F drive. Which it sounds like it's booting up right now. Please. F! We have the F drive! We have the F drive! Virtual machines. Here it is. WinMe.VDI. We're going to copy here. Alright. Virtual machines. And we don't need this. Actually, might as well just delete all this. Which one's the F drive? Okay, this one. Let's copy this. Boom. There we go. Now you notice last time the file size was like 5 kilobytes or something. Here we go. This is it's an 8 gigabyte hard drive. So this seems like more like it. That's one more minute, and this nightmare will enter stage 2, trying to clean up all this nonsense. Okay, so at least we know the hard drives work. It sucks that I had to spend $50. $70. I spent like $70 on this equipment, including the cable that it didn't end up working, and the toaster. But if this works, $70 to recover 40,000 words of a story. Please. 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 Okay. We'll delete this. Remove only. Add. Wait, no. Documents. Virtual machines. Where is it? Where the hell is it? Name documents. VDI. Okay. New. Machine folder. Select folder. Microsoft Windows. Windows Millennium. Use an existing hard drive. No. Choose a virtual hard disk. Add. Name. Documents. This one. I think 512 is the maximum. Oh, numlock's off. Okay. Well, oh. Writing rig. Create. Please. Please. I know it's tiny, but who cares? Please. Oh my god, that's my theme! Our suit! No way! Everything's kind of off screen because, I want to actually view this in full screen mode. Oh my goodness. My documents. Couple stories. I think it's in. I think it's in. Yes! It's... Oh my goodness, it's back! I actually... It's all here. Yes! Look at the page count. To view a comment, oh my goodness. Yes! Tools. 40,000 words! Oh my goodness! Did it! We got it back! Okay. Alright. Whew, boy! My god! Okay. I can't even write tonight. No, I don't want to save. Oh my goodness. Shut down. Oh! I mean, Yeah, so there it is. I don't even know if I'm on camera or whatever, but 2 hours, $70, and 2 Best Buy runs later. My words are back. Dual hard drive docking station. And it just saved me from having to rewrite 40,000 words. Because you know I wasn't going to do it. If I had lost that story, that was the end of it. The characters in that story would be dead. Alright. I'm going to continue writing. Not today. I'm going to skip today, and it's Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to go hardcore. Sunday. I plan to make another video about my experience with trying to write 50,000 words in a month. As a side hobby. But, yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.